Tonight on the 10 o'clock news, explosive testimony in court during the Johnthan Quiles murder trial.
He tried to strangle her, didn't work out. He couldn't stomach it. And so then he later shot her in the chest.
That was Joseph Quiles on the stand today.
He was testifying against his younger brother, 38-year-old Johnthan Quiles. Police say back in 2018, Johnthan Quiles killed his wife's 16-year-old niece, Iyana Sawyer, after getting the teen pregnant. And then prosecutors say he dumped her body, which was never found. News4JAX reporter Eric Avanier joining us now live outside the Duval County Courthouse, where the jury not only heard testimony from Quiles' brother, but also a jailhouse recording. Eric?
And Kent, an attorney not affiliated with this case, says that jailhouse recording is an example of how anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. And in this case, that recording sounds a lot like a confession. When Joseph Quiles took the witness stand, he told the court he was living in New York when his younger brother, Johnthan Quiles, called him and said he got 16-year-old Iyana Sawyer pregnant. Sawyer was his wife's niece. Joseph Quiles told the court that his brother told him he did not want to ruin his family. Then he said his brother eventually confessed to something even more disturbing.
He then said that he took the young lady and he had her sitting in a vehicle. He picked her up. He had her sitting in a vehicle, waiting. He tried to strangle her. It didn't work out. He couldn't stomach it. And so then he later shot her in the chest. And then he proceeded to discard the body by taking the body and putting it transporting it into a dumpster and destroying the vehicle.
Knowing Sawyer was reported missing, Joseph Quiles called the police and told them what his brother said.
I made the decision based upon it's not about the brotherhood, it's about a missing young girl.
The court also heard an audio recording of a conversation between Johnthan Quiles and two other inmates inside the Duval County Jail. One of those two inmates was wearing a wire.
Did you tell your brother before you did or after you did? No. This is after the fact that she was missing. Why were they pointing fingers at you? Because of my brother.
During the recorded conversation, questions were asked about the victim.
Well, you didn't think she was going to tell. Why did you kill her, though? If you didn't think she was going to tell, or you just felt like it was going to hit the fan and later on, she was pregnant. You did the right thing. I won't leave my wife either. That. You did the right thing. You should have told your brother. You should have just went to New York and killed him.
And then there was a question about dumping the body.
Who helped you? Who helped you get rid of the body?
Defending against it is really problematic.
Criminal defense attorney Randy Reep is not affiliated with this case. He says the investigatory use of a jailhouse snitch wearing a wire makes this case hard to defend because of statements made by Quiles.
In this recording, there's some correlated information that the defendant makes statements to the recorder at the same time that the police already knew about that information. And that consistency of information can be a very difficult thing to overcome as a defense attorney.
In other words, anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. And Reep says that's just what happened. Now, the prosecution wrapped up its case today, and tomorrow the defense will start to make its case. Reporting live from outside the Duval County Courthouse, Eric Avanier, Channel 4, the local station.